What's up, guys? We're back. Welcome to Marty's Alliance. I'm Marty, of course. Here's something I've done. I wound up getting some in the track window vents. Let's say I went ahead and put them on one side of the truck so far here on Shockwave. And when it done that, you know, I'm gonna make it short, simple, to the point. I've got them off Amazon. I'll link them here. Well, I'll link them here, somewhere like that. Kind of let y'all know what all's going on. Let me show you what's going on, and we're gonna go ahead and put them on the other side. Right now, as you can see, they go inside the track. A lot of them, they have the adhesive that comes on the outside all the way around. I think this right here is a little bit cleaner look. I do have the windows up, and that way it kind of pushes them up. That way the adhesion can go ahead and do its job. I do have some alcohol wipes, stuff like that, that I need to go inside and get actually. But as soon as we do all that right there, I'm gonna hand you off to the old lady, and she's gonna be the camera girl for a little bit. But that's what we're gonna do. And as soon as I go in there and get these alcohol wipes that I absolutely forgot. Right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you these. A lot of them, they'll go on the outside. I do not like that look. I do not like it at all. These are gonna go on the inside. So let's go from there. I've already wiped this down. So we're gonna take this right here off. Here. Open these up. They're all nice and pretty. You see there? All nice and pretty. Set one here. Take the other one. We'll set it there. And guys, I will be. All right, guys, here's what we done. These came from China, so watch on the sniffer. It's probably gonna stink. It says tear here. We're gonna tear here. We're gonna take this right here, which is alcohol wipe. We're gonna go inside the channel. And then this right here, if anybody can tell me what in the world that right there says, please let me know, because I don't have the slightest clue. It says connects the world. Don't know. Usage method will be affixed to surface clean to ensure that surface clean, no water, no oil. Tear open the bag, take out the wipe paper, wipe the surface clean, wait a few seconds, then paste tape, and then squeeze. Made in China. Guess what? I read that in Chinese. Can y'all believe that? I can't. Ain't no way. All right, we got 1 and 2, and we gotta have 1 and 2. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come up here, tear here. We're gonna tear this. This right here is the alcohol wipe. We're gonna go to the back first. Come through the back. Put it inside the channel here. Ooh, it's a little tight, a tad tight. Ew, would y'all look at that? Put this all the way down. And that's what you get out of here. Nice, gooey, gunky, road grime, years of neglect. Smells like bad decisions. Nah, got that. Let her dry. And we're gonna take and take it out. Now this right here is supposed to be some kind of adhesion protection. Not sure. Don't know how well this right here works. But we're gonna take this and we're gonna wipe the inside of this down yet again. And man, does it get more crap off of here. All right, take him like this, throw it away. Now, at this guy here. See the orientation? See how it swoops towards the back? See the swoop right here. Okay, it's gonna come all the way up. Now what I like doing with these right here, back up just a little bit. There you go. What I like doing with these right here, I like to pre-fit them in here. Pre-fit it. That's how I like it. That's how we're gonna roll with it. Now we're gonna take these and I don't know how well they're gonna stick, but trying to get this little bitty adhesion right off of here, it is a booger. And of course now I've got some other damn hound over here that's probably gonna piss on tires and stuff like that. Yep. Not even my dog. All right, we're gonna take the back completely off of that. All right, we're gonna start about 1 inch, 2 inches, inch and a half, whatever. And of course, you know, somebody's gonna say you're doing it wrong, but guess what? Don't care. Don't care. Gonna start there and there. All right. Now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna place it inside the channel. Inside the channel. Pull this down a tad. Pull this down a tad. That way you can grab a hold of it. And we're gonna push that up there. Take that, pull it off. Throw it in the back of the truck. Now, with that in place, I'm gonna take this and roll up this back window. With it pushing it in there, leave it there, let it dry. Oh, there's a copyright. All right, now we're gonna shut this. We're gonna do the same thing here as we are here. All right, another alcohol pad. I'm pretty sure that's how to spell alcohol in English. I don't get it. They have this in English, right? But yet they have this in Chinese. Why can't you do both? Please do both. Now, Terry here, open this up. Take the alcohol pad and we're gonna take this and run this inside the channel. All the way down. Get some gunk off of it. Road grime, dirt, BS. Smells like cigarettes and bad decisions. No, I'm kidding, it don't smell like cigarettes. All right. Let's go ahead and clean the whole channel. Why not? We got a big enough pad here that we could probably wash the whole truck with it. All right, that is going bye-bye. Now, let it flash. Yeah, that don't do no good. Just don't. Connects the world. That's what this does. And I'm glad that they put a little tear right there, because I do not want to put my mouth on this coming from China. Disgusting. All right, that goes out. This comes up and we're gonna do one decent little swipe with it since it's out. Damn. Have it back. All right. I don't want that. You put your fingers in there and it's running across that. It's like a burn. All right. Pretty simple. Same kind of apparatus. Have this for the front. That goes up front. This goes across the back. And of course we have the most annoying stuff going on. Can't have nothing quiet while somebody's doing a video. Now, take that little adhesion strip off the first backing. Then we're gonna take this one and dig at it and dig at it and dig at it until we get it. Gonna take the front, do the same thing, dig at it, dig at it, dig at it, and there you go. I tell you something, guys, if this adhesion ever messes up on here, the best thing to use, if these things ever come out, the adhesion messes up, Gorilla Glue has a Gorilla Tape. Take the Gorilla Tape, cut you off a little piece, and run it up here, put it up, and this stuff is not coming off. Will not. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Set this inside the track. Come up here, and we're gonna kind of pull out a little bit, press in, make sure these right here are pulled out so you can grab them. We're gonna slide this up in the track. We're gonna take this right here off. Let's get rid of that. All right, and we're gonna add a little bit. Open the door. And roll the window up. And now, guys, you take a look at that. That is a big difference. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a whole lot. Let's go back over here, check out this other side. They don't stick out too bad. They're not gaudy and on the outside. I wonder if they make any for the back window. I don't know. They'd be kind of gaudy. Not sure, but they don't stick out. They're not too flimsy. Actually, I'm kind of impressed. But I will get the prices and stuff like that. And I don't know, I think I gave 30 bucks for these. Nothing bad. But I tell you what, guys, y'all know what I'm gonna say. Y'all know what's up. With friends, family, and alliance like y'all guys, everything is possible. Y'all have fun, be safe, stay cool. Catch you later. Out of here.